India's quantum mission is making steady progress over the past few years in terms of merging theoretical aspects of quantum mechanics with experimental projects by ramping up the expertise and facilities available in the country.
One of the most important applications of a quantum computer would be to model nature, because nature works on the laws of quantum physics, and if we understand how nature works, then basically the possibilities are endless. Let me give a few examples. You're designing a new medicine. A medicine is basically composed of some molecule. A molecule is composed of some atoms, right? And atoms behave the law of quantum physics. So if I can represent this model properly, efficiently, so that the full laws of quantum mechanics are apparent, then it allows me to understand how this molecule will behave, what kind of properties it can have, how it might interact with other medicines, for example. And all of this can be done on a computer.
India is rapidly gearing up to build quantum computers and join the ranks of Western countries. In 2019, the Department of Science and Technology set up Quantum Enabled Science and Technology, or QUEST, to make investments in infrastructure for promoting research in the field of quantum science and technology.
Now the QUEST, basically the first thing it did is did the capacity mapping in the country. We identified more than 50 groups, mostly young scientists, who are working in the area of quantum, but we also need to seed the capacity in quantum experimental research. So these more than 50 groups that were identified are being supported under the QUEST program.
The nurturing of the PhDs in this field is very much essential. So there is around 100 PhD scholars who are working for the projects, and at the same time they will be getting their PhDs also. So that way down the lane, if you look at it, maybe 3-4 years, we have 100 core scientists coming out from this QUEST program.
The main goal for QUEST is to achieve, within the next 10 years, the technical capacity to build quantum computers and communication systems comparable with the best in the world. The goal received a significant shot in the arm in early 2020, with the government allocating 8,000 crore rupees in its latest budget towards national mission on quantum technologies and applications.
Quantum technology is opening up new frontiers in computing, communications, cybersecurity, with widespread applications. It is expected that a lot of commercial applications would emerge from theoretical constructs which are developing in this area. It is proposed to provide an outlay of 8,000 crores over a period of 5 years for the national mission on quantum technologies and applications.
The funding boost will ensure that India too can make significant contributions in quantum technology. Under the aegis of the Department of Science and Technology, the mission will also help prepare next-generation skilled human resources, boost applied research, and also encourage entrepreneurship and startup ecosystem development. The possibilities led by quantum revolution are endless. From finding answers to problems that surround our material world, to unraveling the layers of human consciousness, and even opening the doors to the prospect of having multiple worlds. Quantum mechanics is the key that defines our existence in this universe, our past, present, and future. Because in the end, we are all nothing but atoms.